Hello and welcome to the fourth video in my series, AngularJS component-based design. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of splitting your application up into modules. The code I will be using in this video is based on the code that we have completed in the last three videos. So if at any point you're confused about what we were doing, it's probably a good idea to go back and catch up on those three videos. Or if you would just like to follow along with the code that we have, you can download it at the link provided below. Now let's jump back into our project. I'm going to open up a terminal and install OC lazy load, which is the library that's going to allow us to lazy load our modules once we split them up. And then once that's finished downloading, I'm going to create a new directory called modules. And then inside of that directory, I'm going to create a new file named main.module.js. And then swap back to our editor. And what I'm going to do first is open up our index.js file and add a reference to our newly downloaded OC lazy load library. And then I'm going to add the OC lazy load library to our Angular component demo module. Next, we're going to open up our newly created main.module.js file, and we're going to initialize a new module. And I'm going to paste in the code here. Next, let's switch back to our index.js file. And we're going to add a reference to our new module that we created in our main.module.js file. Then we will add the main.module as a dependency for our Angular component demo module. Next, let's swap back over to our main module, and let's add references to our home and about components. And then register those components on our main module. Let's swap back to our index.js file, and we're going to remove those references from our Angular component demo module. Then we're going to grab the routing information, and we are also going to move this to our main.module. And then we will change the name of our app from app to our main.module reference. As you can see, we've cleaned up our index.js file and moved everything to our main module. Let's swap back to our terminal, and we are going to build our project. And run it. And as you can see, our home component is working correctly. Let's test our about component. And that also loads correctly.